Hi, I'm Roxy, and this is your weekly Growth Pulse, powered by GrowthRocks. Get ready for the latest growth marketing trends, hacks, and updates, all in one place. Let's go. We begin today's bulletin with a practical guide for marketers on competitive intelligence. GrowthRocks details how tracking diverse signals, like search engine optimization changes, ad activity, regional pricing, and community sentiment, can reveal competitor strategy shifts before they become public. Marketers are encouraged to build a simple, actionable system for ongoing monitoring, turning insights into tested experiments that drive growth. Now, let's go to a key marketing shift: the rise of web intent before visible search intent. GrowthRocks explains that pre-marketing behaviors, such as users passively exploring problems and comparing ideas, are increasingly detectable via advanced tools. By leveraging web intent signals across paid ads, content, email, and personalization, marketers can reach and influence prospects much earlier in their journey. In other headlines, GrowthGirls shares how to move from random artificial intelligence experimentation to real strategy. Their step-by-step playbook recommends setting one primary metric, prioritizing experiments around core business bottlenecks, designing rigorous tests, and systematizing wins into repeatable processes. This approach helps teams avoid shallow metrics and instead build sustainable value from artificial intelligence. Let's shift our attention to the latest moves in social media. Instagram now enables all users to reshare any public story to their own feed, with automatic credit to the creator. This expansion supports wider content amplification, rewards original creators, and offers new engagement opportunities for brands seeking organic reach via reshared stories. Meanwhile, in another development, YouTube's algorithm for Shorts may now prioritize videos less than 30 days old, according to channel analysts. This reported shift diminishes views for evergreen Shorts, pushing creators toward frequent uploads to sustain visibility, a move some say could undermine long-term content value in favor of quantity over quality. Next, we take a look at artificial intelligence's impact on digital marketing tools. SEMrush's roundup highlights 10 top artificial intelligence platforms poised to shape 2026, from content creation to optimization and visibility tracking across search engines and large language models. The list spotlights solutions for drafting, proofreading, video adaptation, keyword research, and local search, underscoring an industry-wide move toward automation and data-driven marketing. Here's what else is happening. Google Search Console is piloting combined social channel insights. In a new experiment, websites can now view clicks, impressions, trending content, and queries for connected social profiles, alongside traditional site data, within one dashboard. This integration helps brands track how their social media presences contribute to search discovery and visibility. And finally, we turn to Amazon, which is enhancing voice shopping via Alexa Plus in the United States and Canada. Echo Show devices now offer shoppers real-time order tracking, the ability to add items to deliveries before they ship, and personalize gift suggestions using artificial intelligence. Amazon reports these updates are now live and available to millions of Alexa Plus users, aiming to make shopping smoother and more interactive. That's a wrap for this week's Growth Pulse. I'm Roxy. Stay bold, stay curious, and keep growing with GrowthRocks. See you next time.